Well, heads up in the southern plains and the southern Mississippi Valley for severe thunderstorms, mainly Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. Low pressure storm is going to come cranking out of the southwest, tapping into Gulf moisture, and there's going to be enough instability for storms and enough wind shear. Some of these thunderstorms could be rotating. So gusty winds, hail, possible tornadoes. The risk extends from the Gulf Coast to the Great Lakes on Thursday. As far as your rain amounts, you could see some pretty good amounts in isolated areas. Most locations, though, will be getting lighter amounts around 1 inch with snowfall in the Great Lakes.